Hi với na kan leng na hani he thian te ne Chang hau te hi ka bazar pi te an nia outlet mall anga store chung am ta pane lawa thian kan ba culture sar ngai don tin ani he Mọi khó mà mình thế. Hey, kan lunch kana ina to ni he. Pot cover. Kan lunch ay ani he. Atu yasin. It's very tasty, right? And there's our wonderful friends Marina and Ruth F. Fiverr, not five, actually 5 feel. And here's Christopher. Relax. She has so much food. Can you eat all of that?
We'll see.
Okay. Here's mine. We said that Mom, you're so unique. You can't be full without white rice. So here's the white rice. And there's Tim. And here's me. Later we're gonna go Tiffany and buy some rings, right? Anh em yên tặng nhá, có hiểu mối tắc tắc này. Thấy cái tiền được trả lâu tao cái này ha. Dấu tỏ tụi ní ăn đồ. Yeah, you guys go ahead. Kan lunch man po hi dollar somli chawa ni mi pakata. Wait, oh my god. Lại thấy rong theo mang âm. Marina, get something from your boyfriend. For your boyfriends, I mean. Like the one, like the red and green shirts over there. H&M. You should try this. Oh, so little. $495. Oh my goodness, that is awesome. Just awesome. So that you can just put your cell phones and nothing else. Check the price. Check the price.
I'll put up mine.
How much do you think Alexa will cost?
Oh gosh, that was 400.
And that should
maybe
be
like 250, 190.
Still, yeah.
But like, I love how like our expectations were set.
Yeah.
And then,
but if we had like the Samsung flip phone, it might fit in.
it's true.
And your car key. That's all it's gonna fit in.
Tiny bags are also.
Yeah. I get that. Yeah. Jimmy and I were like talking about it last year when I died. Family and that family. My favorite. All set up for the evening on chocolate shoulder straps and crossbody.
Hey, I found the bag that I want, like the the belt bag,
Oh, okay.
but it's $159.
Justify.
The North Face. Thank you, lady.
You're welcome.
Tố về thấy alone hang for here. Yeah, you look good.
I mean, it's a black jacket.
I'm recording, yeah. Black, gray. I think grays look better than the black so far. That's not bad too, but gray is still better. Yeah, gray and blue will be the choice. Oh, is that white or pink? Oh, that's good. I think that one and the gray though. But if you buy the blue color, your boyfriend can share. Let's see. Yeah, I think still gray in my eyes.
Does it have a weird point at the
Mm
end?
No.
Not weird.
Mm-mm. Yeah. Your skin can go with any color, so it doesn't really matter.
Oh, that's not true.
It is. Oh, I think the pink, I mean the white is the most one. Like let Ruth decide what color is best. Wow, what is this animal called?
A boar?
Oh, boar.
Did you see the Santas?
Where? What? I didn't see that. Oh my goodness. Oh, I missed it. Oh, there are Santas. Marina, you look good with your new hat. And somebody with new jacket. Oh my goodness. No, I'm good. Thank you, thank you. Oh, the smells. Oh, Christmas smell. A rim to a Christmas rim top. No? Do you feel like they are really Christmas now? Is that chocolate? Oh. Cute little Christmas tree. Go ahead. Christmas at night. Oh, mun tinahan mi yan bazaar sur hindi daw top man. Kansas City. Oh, it's good for souvenir though. How much it cost? 44. That's something. Yeah. It's good for souvenir, but it's a little bit costly for my kids. Yeah. Well, is that perfume or ornament?
Ornament.
Ah. Kansas City ornament. Puzzle? Kansas City how many pieces are there?
1,000.
My kids would never figure that out. Kansas City bazaar tungka enge ka shopping plaza minka Country Club Plaza katiat te den kan bazaar loi ani he sab hoi chon het yanga hen me ku ta siam nge yan ngai sang thei box sia tau le thei bia wang yeah cái gì cho yeah we don't value it to be honest but hot dik cha oh mani rong ala so you guys have a very great time. Hay mình chung anh hay cafe tell mình đi here. Oh, it smells good. Where is that?
It's rose bath bomb.
Oh, my kids will love that, but I know I'll be sure it's cost a fortune. Oh, they're all cute and so clean. I know. Miên tầm liên tục thì cả mang hàng do con bellboy. Kansas City ornament. Made in KC. Sit down. Badminton. They're cute. Cute gingerbread house. Yeah, KC.
Oh, this is the ornament. What?
Oh,
so cute.
Heavy?
Yeah. Well, not very, but aquarium or lang.
Okay, I don't know. I don't call it. Now then, so okay.
Oh, here's another.
Oh, that should be one.
$10.
How much? 10?
Michael Jordan, like I
Why everything to have so expensive?
Oh, right. Yeah. Yes.
Oh, here wine section. I like. Do you guys ever drink wine?
Huh?
Do you guys ever drink wine?
Yeah.
I had a
Chin wine.
chin wine. The reason I asked, I had I think 70% off or something. Couldn't say off ka na. Yeah. But I think it has to be Pacific brand, but I don't know what brand it is. I can check that out if you want. Cute. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. The lady, ornament lady. Yeah. Alex, you should wear that right away too. Like other does. Like other does, you should wear your earrings.
I have to find a place to put these
Yeah.
securely. I don't know if I have.
Oh yeah.
I guess I could put them.
Sao bao đủ đàn thì chú mặc về thấy xin hay thế. Hay thế. Rim mà này xa. Rim Christmas rim rau khắp mấy. Tianin uman thuna. Rim mà reu na hết tiếng far khát thế far lezel turin tianin. Ako pa ko pinanzuar ni he. Ama si rim pa ni. Eram pang hiya sen. Ni churim chel. Đây khó lắm mà vọc cho quang ta nó gắn mắt nhiều ta. Where should we go now? Should we go to Tiffany? Tiffany. Tầm vắc tầm tổ ăn hạp để tổ khắp mấy tụi kia. Là vắc chờ này gì ngang tăng. Hi orang kacak mantlon thai li tuk dor ani a Tiffany an lu don ani chu Xem đi vào đó mà xuống ha.
Tao lại rồi nó sệt lên ạ. Là đẹp món này.
Did they put prices on? Price sheet of income.
Món này là đó mà cháu.
Hey, đó thì anh mani sa phao bôi na, anh rap thì anh nhà mình hi. Because people will just think that this is the regular gruel or prices. If the movie that you mentioned, if somebody let you choose the engagement ring. So now we're going in to see some candies. Something different.
We have some butterscotch square with some peppermint twist and some peppermint crispies.
Okay.
Can I take two?
Yeah, go ahead.
Thank you.
No problem.
Okay. Here, candy.
Would you like a sandwich? We have some butterscotch squares.
Different kinds of candy you can buy here.
I told him to try. I told him to try.
Okay. How is it? Good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Up here.
At here. At here. Oh, okay. Here. Đây là nó.
Are we crossing the street again? Jensita, bayi now look here dong atin. Looks like.
Everybody looks so nice. Which one? Cái bao nhiêu nào chị Lão?
Okay. Are you guys tired? No? So ready to go. Conveying board. Do you guys know what is conveying board?
No.
It's my neighborhood. That's what I said.
Let me try to guess because I've seen her vlog. She got deers outside, I know that. And then the Christmas tree like this.
Yeah, well, they're getting there. See right there, candy cane and
There
stuff.
we go.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, that's
There's finally.
Oh, which one is yours again?
You can park inside, or I don't know.
Yeah, that's what
Yeah, this is my house.
Oh, no, don't park here. We need to take a walk. Yeah, we gotta get out. Okay.
Finally, home sweet home. Maybe you can just park on the next house.
Where is my husband?
Where is
I think the
your sweet husband? Maybe he's forgetting about you. You can. We can just park here and I'll get changed. Like Ruth said, as soon as we get home, I'm gonna get naked and change and went to church.
Wait, what?
Like you said, like we are home. We are home. Okay. So this is so many things that we bought from Kansas City.
Oh, yeah, I almost forgot my stuff.
Right. Thank you, thank you. See you all on Monday at the office.
Okay, good night, everybody.
Good night, good night. Home sweet home. Oh my goodness, finally. Và thiên gia là luông ta kinh gần khen tạ